The Govee car LED lights are a fantastic addition for those looking to personalize their vehicle's interior. These smart interior lights offer vibrant RGB lighting with a wide range of colors and effects. Controlled via an easy-to-use app, they allow users to create custom lighting setups and even sync the lights to music using the music mode. Whether you want a relaxing ambiance or a party vibe, these lights deliver. One of the standout features is the DIY mode, which offers complete customization. Users can design unique color combinations and effects to match their mood or occasion. The two-line design is convenient, making installation straightforward and compatible with most cars. Powered by a DC 12-volt car charger, the setup is tidy and efficient without the need for complicated wiring. Durable and user-friendly, these lights are perfect for anyone seeking to enhance their car's interior. The adhesive backing ensures they stay securely in place, and the intuitive app provides seamless control. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or showing